Going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to set up the live wallpaper for free. Now this one is completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. You can set it up for M1 or M2, but I think you can do it for previous Mac too, because this application you're gonna get it from the Mac. First of all, you're gonna go to the App Store. You're gonna type in backgrounds and enter, and then just download backgrounds and open it. And once you open, it will show up on the top right hand side corner, right? Open it, and then over here you want to make sure you have display in video, and go to preferences, and you're gonna see a little library over here, and you're gonna go download all these live wallpapers. So over here you need to set up individual. If you go to a library, let's say you go on this one, it's gonna rotate. Let me check on this one, and it's gonna switch every couple seconds. So for some reason, I'm not sure they're gonna be an update to fix this, but this is what we have to deal with right now. So you guys see it just switched. So for me, for this purpose, I'm just gonna put on this one, and then it's just gonna be single. So you might have to set a single on each one. Unfortunately, it's a free step, so that's all we get. But then again, how often you're gonna change your live wallpaper anyway? So I like this one right now, so I'm gonna set it. Now I'm gonna show you guys where to get all this live wallpaper for free. So if you have Google Chrome, I would suggest use Google Chrome, and you just go here and you type in livewallpapersforfree.com. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, so you guys can just click on the link. It should take you right here. Now for this purpose, I'm gonna show you guys a setup. So let's say I like this one because Shark Week. I'm gonna click on it, and then it will take me to this, and then make sure you guys download the 4K one. So it's so much better. I'm gonna click on it, and then you just wait. Don't do anything. Just wait for it. Now it's pop up right here, and then you get it right here. And you're gonna see in your download menu right here. Now I'm gonna go open this, I'm gonna close this, close out this, right? This is two. Then we're gonna go back up here. We're gonna go system preferences, and then I'm gonna go, and you can create a new playlist. So for this purpose, I already create a playlist of animals, right? So I'm just gonna click on animals, and then I'm gonna go to add right here. And then I'm gonna go to download, which is the location where we just download the live wallpaper, and I'm gonna click on it, and we're just gonna open, and then voila, that's it. And that's pretty much it. It's free, doesn't have any trademark or anything on it, and make sure you thank the creators and all stuff. But it's so cool, guys. Hope this helped you out. Have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.